Cutting up gang, man. Look, if you still in high school, you feel me? If you about to graduate high school, if you just got out the county, just got out of prison or life, and you want to start your own business, man.
First 48.
Boy, been killing all of them haircuts. Back to back, 30 minutes, appointment time, you see me spinning. Top off, you see me winning. Everything better with a KP twin.
Everybody who been liking, subscribing, I see the subscribers going up, I see the views going up. I really appreciate it. Cutting up gang. Got a text message yesterday from one of my clients. It reads, "What it do, KP? I was just trying to see if you could help me with the business credit and LLC stuff. I want to start my own clothing brand this year and make sure my credit is good, but I'm not old enough to get a credit card yet. Once I get my LLC, can I get a credit card for my business? And if I'm an entrepreneur, can they really take taxes from me if they don't know how much I'm making?" That's a good question. Those are the type of questions I had when I was in high school too. So, I'm about to break it down to you. You want to start your own clothing brand, you feel me? Now, if you're going to start your own clothing brand, if I was you, I would, in high school, try to start a career like an auto mechanic, barbering, heating and cooling, or something dealing with like a career to start that clothing brand, so that clothing brand can represent the career that you started. So, for instance, like me, I'm cutting up, gang. I'm a barber. Man, you see, I got the hoodies that I sell. I got my own clothing brand, so this is how I do mine. I got the whiteboard for y'all cutting up, gang. You feel me? So we got the whiteboard, man. Look, so right here, this is how I do it. You feel me? This KP and this cutting up. You feel me? I know it's how I like to spell cutting up. Don't worry about my handwriting. But look, cutting up, gang. You feel me? This is my brand. See, that's how I spell it. You feel me? But that's my clothing brand, and of course I'm the barber, KP cutting up. So if I was you, this barber, you feel me? That's my career. So now this career, this is my brand, you feel me? So now my career is going into my brand. So now what you seeing right now is two business. So if you doing it this way, you want to create LLC, you feel me? And then another LLC. Now, you don't gotta create, this is in the future as far as this LLC cutting up, gang. You feel me? So this LLC is gonna be an LLC that we create in the future once the clothing brand get popped off. Well, we know this barber gonna get popped off because we the first ones at the shop and the last ones to leave, you feel me? So in order for anybody to make money in the United States, you gotta have an LLC, Age Corporation, or some type of any entity that produce money gotta be its own entity. So create an LLC. If you're a barber cutting up, gang, every single barber, even if you don't own a shop, even if you're doing house calls, you need an LLC cutting up, gang. If y'all don't take nothing from this video, take that. So if you're making anything that makes money, needs to be its own entity. If you got a vending machine, that got to be its own entity. If you got a car wash business, that got to be its own entity. The goal, since you go on this route cutting up, gang, you don't want nothing in your government name. United States rewards small businesses. United States reward businesses, period. That's what you are when you go on this route. You're not punching in. You're not getting no paycheck stubs. You are creating a small business. You feel me? So I say that to say this. Bam. I got my government name, and then my LLC is KP cutting up, the barber, you feel me? Which is right here. So now this barber right here, he just did a haircut. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do some scissors, you feel me? Something like that. Scissors. These are scissors. Anyway, look, these scissors just paid me. So now, look, $60 for that haircut, right? So that $60 haircut gotta be its own entity, because this government right here, this government name didn't make it. This LLC made it. That's how it works, cutting up, gang. So, bam, right? This $60 from this client. He just paid me. This from the client, right? Not only did this client pay me for his haircut, now he want to support my brand, right? Bam. So now him support my brand. If you want to get this hoodie, I got stocks. I got hoodie in stock, right? Let's say I don't got no hoodie in stock. And if you're in high school, this is the way I want you to do it, Cut No Gang. So let's say you're in high school, or if you ain't got the inventory or the space to carry all of the shirts, hoodies, this, that, and the other, you feel me? Whatever you selling, look, you cutting them up. And I gotta tell you this way because this is the only way I know how to explain it in the barber world, you feel me? So you cutting them up, right? He paid you 60. Now he want to support your brand because he like your cut, and plus the cut looks so crispy off of the gear. So he got the cut, and he also want to purchase a shirt, right? So now he going to the shirt. He about to get those. Don't laugh at my shirt. Look, something like, you feel me? Dog about to get the cutting up shirt. Dang, the dog about to get the cutting up shirt. You feel me? Look. So now since that's still not really making no money, say it take $40 to make this hoodie, right? All together. Let's say the hoodie $30 and it's $10 to print. You feel me? And I sell them for $75, right? So we got 75, you feel me? Minus 40. And how you approach him, you approach dog like, let's say you're in high school and he want to buy your brand and you ain't got the inventory again. You tell him to give you $40, and once the shirt done, he can pay the other $35. You feel me? Because that's your profit. So bam, right? He give you the 40 up front because it's an exclusive shirt. You go get it done, shirt done, bam, right? You hand him the shirt, bagged up professionally. And then you pocket the 35 after you hand him the shirt because you don't got the inventory. Now, the problem with starting your own clothing brand, the way I did it the first time cutting the game, y'all know I've been in the game for a minute, right? But I spent on shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, hats, you feel me? And I didn't have the space to put it. And that was a learning lesson for me. So how I would do it differently is more like the drop shifting way, you feel me? I would probably do it the way how I just explained it to you, until I have the space for the inventory as far as starting your clothing brand. So for sure, Cutting No Gang. Yeah, man, yeah. So that's how I would start my clothing brand. If I was you, I wouldn't worry about an LLC right now. I would attach my clothing brand into a business. That way that business can represent that clothing brand, where that clothing brand is long lasting and it's forever, where when people see, they're like, oh, he's associated with such and such because that such and such do this and he probably do that, and you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Now, as far as in high school, how credit work and LLCs and your clothing brand, this is how it worked and how you can establish credit. You fresh out of high school, right? Or you just graduated. Let's say it's May, you graduated. You in the 12th grade this year, you graduating this year, and it's summertime. In the year of the summertime, you feel me? Now, everybody who turns 18 start getting credit cards. You get the about $200-$300 credit cards. Now, once you get those credit cards, you cannot blow it, Cutting No Gang. You gotta invest it and repay it, because I look at credit like the mafia. If you pay your credit off, your credit gonna bless you tremendously, Cutting No Gang. I mean, they gonna keep giving you more and more and more, card after card after card. And people are like, don't take that, take it and invest it, because like I said, America rewards small businesses. So you 18, it's a summer, you 18, you graduated, hat, cap, gown, off. First day, summer break, you know what I'm saying? You 18, no more high school, you graduated. Bam. So you create a LLC under LegalZoom. So you go to LegalZoom, you feel me? LegalZoom.com, you create a LLC. It's put $100 to the side, you feel me? To create that LLC. That's the entity, if you know what I'm saying? As far as like if you go on the barber route. So even if you don't got your barber license, create an LLC for that entity and do it all right as if you are a barber until you get your barber license, then just go towards the direction of getting your barber license. Just barber school or apprenticeships, you feel me? But it depends on the state. So bam, now you got your LLC. Now you starting at the barbershop. Maybe the shop might let you work illegally. I'm sorry to say, but maybe they do. And you know what I'm saying? You stacking your chips and you didn't even start barber school yet. So bam, right? That money coming in. Then you take that money to the bank, right? And you tell the bank, like, yeah, I want to open up a business bank account. Why? Because you just got that money from you not your government when you was at that barbershop. You that entity that you created, which is that LLC. You feel me? It's two of you now. You feel me? So once you go to the bank, you tell them that you created an LLC, you want to open up a business bank account. She gonna ask you questions, or he gonna ask you questions, or what you do, this, that. I'm a master barber, I'm a barber. You know what I'm saying? I work at such and such barbershop. Bam, right? She gonna do it off of your LLC EIN number. So, bam, now you got your account. Now you're gonna have a government debit card, and then you're gonna have a business debit card, right? Now, the government credit card, we don't really want to mess with that. But that business credit card, we're gonna put that haircut money inside that business account. Bam, right? So bam, right? Now I got me a debit credit card, a business card, and I'm 18, so now I also got a credit card. So now, bam, right? When you 18, you got no credit, which is cool, but you fresh in the game. So they gonna start sending you credit cards. Your first credit card probably like $250, $300. Take it. I say take it. You feel me? Invest in it. So now you got your government debit card again, your business card, and now you got your $300 credit card. Bam! Right now it's day 2. You at work, first person there. You cutting hair again. End of the day, you the last person there. Done. Now you gotta go to the bank and deposit that money. Now you at the bank again, cutting up, gang. When you at the bank, not even at the bank, you got your card now, cutting up, gang. You go to the ATM machine. You at the ATM, instead of taking out money, that's what the people who, you feel me, who work a job, we don't take out money. We put money in the ATM machine. It's a whole different world. You feel me? So you out the job. You feel me? You out the job, and now you at the ATM machine, you depositing your money inside your business bank account. Let's say you need some supplies for cutting up. You feel me? Let's say you need some clipper disinfectant, some neck strips. You feel me? You're gonna use your business. Really, I take that back. You're gonna use your credit card to pay for those expenses, right? And when you get home, you're gonna call that credit card, or the next day, you're gonna call that credit card and pay it off your business account. So we're gonna keep it like that, you feel me? And man, I'm gonna do more videos. If y'all like videos like this, man, I don't want to get too, I could go, woo! If y'all like videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all again a little later, or if not a little later, then tomorrow. Yeah.
Hey, cutting up, gang.
First 48. First 48. First 48. Oh, first 48.
Yeah, I say, text my line and